It is our 10 years. And Bobby is listening to Hawaiian music. I'm about to make Spam. We've been eating this every Friday the past month and a half. Ow! Don't look like a 10. Yeah, it does. Bobby is now chefing it up with the sunny eggs. Wow! That's what the breakfast is looking like. A lot of Spam. Nice. Our breakfast is done. Oh. I like that. The bubbles.
I love it.
Bobby made us coffee, but we're gonna go to a Vietnamese Filipino coffee shop later called Kasama Cafe.
Why are we going there?
They're Vietnamese and Filipino cafe. You're Vietnamese, I'm Filipino, and we like coffee. We're gonna finish our breakfast and we'll see you guys at Kasama Cafe. Let's try it again. Our heart was like not. Okay. We're gonna finish our breakfast and we'll see you guys at Kasama Cafe. See, it's vertical too. Not even the. I know that shit crooked too. Stop. Hey divas, we're about to go to SF and picked up some taquitos, pepper jack, and a steak cheese, and a bloom for Bobby. Pagod na, pagod na, pagod na, pagod na, pagod na, pagod. Okay. Guys, I love taquitos. All right, see y'all at SF.
The way you walk, the way you understand me, the way you move, the way you just whisper me, the way you touch, the way you used to kiss me. I want you just the way you are.
Who smile at the DMV? Well, I do. Smile at the DMV buddies. The bar was cute. I didn't get a lot of videos because it was dark in there. We got a porn star martini and an espresso martini.
For Spam. Simple question.
$20 each. Okay, we're walking back now. It's 12:30. We're finally back home.
Just drove home.
It was an hour drive.
Sweet.